Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back here with another video wherein we're going to be looking at the Envy box for the month of April 2016. So this is what this month's box looks like. It's a nice pink with its trademark gold brand name embossed on the box. This time this logo is surrounded by a whole lot of these little hearts, which is actually the logo of the labellife.com. This is run, I think, by Bipasha Basu, and we are told that Bipasha Basu has curated the box for us this month. So let's see what Bipasha Basu has in store for us. So the first product that really caught my eye from this month's box was the BBlunt Spotlight hair polish for instant shine. The product claims to be a shine spray with vitamin B5 and sunscreen, which protects against hair damage, thickens hair and adds shine. I'm not sure how it thickens hair, but I think what they mean is add volume to the hair. I'm not really a hair spray kind of person, but I definitely like to try it out and see how it adds a spotlighty kind of shine to my hair, and we'll see how that works. It's a full-size product that they've added in this month's box. It's, I think, 150 ml. Yes, this is 150 ml and is priced at 550 Indian rupees. So that's the first of the full-size products. The second full-size product that they have added is the O3 Plus Milk Scrub. They have been on a very regular basis adding O3 Plus products. It's quite popular with a lot of beauty salons in India, and I've already used this product once, and I quite liked the texture of the product. It was not too harsh, in a creamy base, and it claims that it moisturizes and exfoliates the skin while removing blackheads and whiteheads. So we'll see about that in some more detail when I've used this product a bit more, but the first use definitely was quite encouraging. This is also a full-size product. This is a 50 gram tube, and this is priced at 385 Indian rupees. The third full-size product that they've added is the Fran Wilson Mood Matcher lipstick in the shade Mood Matcher Red. It's a 12-hour lipstick, actually very long lasting, truly long lasting. I'm wearing this shade right now, and as you can see, it's a nice pleasant red, not like the in your face blood red, you know, kind of a Dracula-ish red, so which I really like. So you can actually wear it to work, and it really does, at least it worked very well for my complexion, and I think it will for a large range of Indian complexions. So this is of course a full-size tube, and this is priced at 590 rupees. So three full-size products in this month's box. Now the two samples that we've received, sample size products that we've received, I have received, is the Renif Ferterer Paris. This is again a hair product. This is called the Karité Leave-In Nourishing Cream. I love leave-in creams and serums. This is one kind of hair product which I really use on a very regular basis. This is a 15 ml tube, so I think given my short hair, I should get about 5 to 6 uses from this particular tube. So I'm really looking forward to using this, and I'll definitely let you know how it works on my hair. And the final product that they've added in this month's box is a perfume. This is by Roberto Cavalli, Paradiso Azzurro. I think one of the earlier boxes also had the very same perfume, and I loved using that. This is of course a 1.2 ml vial, and this is really a lovely perfume. In fact, I love this. It's a lovely summer perfume with notes of jasmine and aqua. Very, very fresh for the Indian summers. The price for this has not really been mentioned, or have they? Oh yes, it is priced at 4,900 rupees for a 50 ml bottle, but this of course is only a 1.2 ml. So one gets good 3, 4, even 5 uses from this tiny vial. So what do I think all in all of this box? I'm actually quite happy with this month's box. I think Bipasha Basu has done a good job. She's kind of taken care of your skin, she's taken care of your hair. She's also given you a makeup product as well as a perfume. So do I recommend it? Yes. If you're not a regular subscriber, you can definitely order this month's box as a gift for yourself or for someone you like. A girl. This is a girl's box. With that, with this month's roundup, I'm going to say bye bye to you till we meet again on another video.